Hello everyone. In the last video, we discussed about various characteristics and components of DSS. Now, we will discuss about various types and functions of DSS. As we have discussed, the decision support system helps the user to analyze the data and arrive at particular decision that is good for the organization. Let's discuss about various types of decision support systems. There are mainly 5 types of DSS, namely data-driven DSS, model-driven DSS, knowledge-driven DSS, document-driven DSS, communication-driven, and group DSS. Let's discuss them one by one. Data-driven DSS. It takes massive amount of data which is required by the organization from various external and internal sources. The useful information is taken out which is used by the decision makers to arrive at particular decisions. Data warehouses allow the manipulation of data by computerized tools in data-driven DSS. Executive information systems are an example of data-driven DSS. Techniques like online analytical processing and data mining, when used along with data-driven DSS, provide high level of functionality and decision support. Model-driven DSS. This type is useful or helpful for the systems which use various models like accounting and financial, marketing, statistical, and optimization. The capability of this type of DSS is increased when the model is used along with good user interface, and this makes the system easy to use. This model is useful for managers to provide solutions or solve various problems. In knowledge-driven DSS, the expertise consists of knowledge about the particular domain, understanding of the problem, and skill at solving these problems. It is used by the management to provide advice or to choose products or services. It helps the user to interact with the organization. The typical client-server model or applications running on standalone computer are the examples of systems using this type of DSS. Document-driven DSS helps the managers to retrieve and manage unstructured documents and web pages. It covers a large base of user groups. The major objective of this type of DSS is to search web pages or documents based on specific keywords. It integrates a variety of storage and processing technologies which provide complete retrieval and analysis. Documents that can be accessed by using DSS are policies and procedures, product specification, catalogs, corporate records, etc. Communication-driven and group DSS, which is GDSS, is the last one. It helps in communication, collaboration, and decision support. This also provides help to analyze the problem situation and provide solutions to problems by decision makers working together as a group. Let's understand the functions of decision support system. There are major 5 functions of DSS. Let's try and discuss them one by one. Firstly, model building. This helps the decision makers to make the most suitable model for solving the problems and making appropriate decisions for the organization. While making the model, it takes into consideration input variables, interrelationships amongst the variables, problem assumptions, and various constraints that are to be applied. The model should be such that it covers and solves all problems into consideration. Second is the what-if analysis. It helps in assessing the impact of any changes made to model variables, the values of the variables, or interrelationships amongst the variables. This analysis is critical for semi-structured and unstructured problems because data needed to make such decisions are often not available or incomplete, and so helps the managers as they're already prepared with certain predictions if the changes are made. Next is goal seeking. Its main objective is to determine all the requirements that are essential for achieving the certain goal. If the requirements are clear, then only the goal can be achieved. And for many organizations, the major objective is to achieve the destined goal. Risk analysis. Another function of DSS is to analyze the risks associated with various alternatives. Risk analysis plays an important role before taking any decision. This is because if the risks are assessed before, it is easy to handle any situation. Graphical analysis is the one which helps the managers to easily take up large data and visualize the impact of various possible solutions. Based on the impact, managers arrive at particular decisions. Decisions can be classified as low risk, medium risk, and high risk. There are various advantages of using graphics for analysis. Advantages of graphical analysis are that it is easy to make comparison, it helps in forecasting the activities, quick summary of data is available, it becomes very easy to understand the problem through pictorial representation using graphs, and individual data points become very clear. With this, we end today's lecture. Thank you.